Wasn't really planning on recording anything today. Let me change some of these settings for the NQ. Welcome scalpers, Reece.Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com. We are looking at the 1 minute NQ today.
Order submitted.
It's November 21st, Friday before Black Friday. Here is a buy signal right here, and it's pulling back. And there's no fill yet, so look at, I'm going to bring my stop lower. It's bouncing off the
Order
ultimate
filled.
zone here. Now, yeah, I want to wait for the big move, but the big move may not come, so get your stop in. You see how wicky these bars are today. So multiple signals here with a bounce.
Stop filled.
We had the arrow here and it pulled back. Look at how it's pulling back right now after it had that move. It's very springy today. It's a very challenging day to trade. It's not this is Friday. Fridays are usually a little difficult. Everything's working, but you're going to have to be a little patient. This right here, right into the blue line, which I do not recommend. I mean, did not work. Everything else, on the other hand, this one was very difficult. Probably going to lose money on this one. This is a big, this is a great one. Things near the blue line are difficult. Away from the blue line, here, very nice. Down here, it's nice. Here is nice. Away from the blue line. Now I'm getting another signal here. But it's going to have to be at the blue line to be an entry. So I'm just going to leave it alone because there's resistance here. There's resistance here.
Order submitted.
Here's the entry here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Here's the entry. I got in late. Here is the signal. Went up, came back down. Here's the ultimate zone we're bouncing off of. Here's another ultimate zone we bounced off of. So we took a couple of bounces. Here we are today, 3 trades. Not sure the camera was on for this one we took, and then this one we took, and then we took this one here. Wasn't planning on making any videos today, so 3 trades. This is the NQ 1 minute. I do have a Black Friday discount code. Just shoot me a text message if you can't find it anywhere. No signal. I don't do anything. Here's a signal.
Order submitted.
Here's an alert to a possible signal. So it's bouncing again off of the blue line, but does it want to break through this time?
Order filled. Stop filled.
I got to make it risk free. It's very springy.
Order
And we're in that
submitted.
danger line area.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Leaving it alone.
Order submitted.
If it wants to come back through up here, I'll get it then. Too springy. Bouncing right off of this zone again. Once, twice, thrice. Let it come back. If it wants to break through again, it'll be a slingshot for those of you in the silver strategy course. It may have more momentum to go through here.
Order filled.
Make it risk free.
Stop filled.
Damn it.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Up 5,400. You see how springy it is? It's very springy, very risky, but very profitable if you know what you're doing.
Order submitted.
Here's an alert. Will it turn
Order
into a
filled.
signal? It's going to bounce here. Tighten up. I mean, you saw the signal. It's not like I can Spielberg this up for you. Look at this big pullback after it hits the ultimate zone here. Look at the pullback. All right, tighten up.
Stop filled.
There's a breakout of the signal candle
Order
down here.
submitted.
Is there more downside to this move? Watch
Order
how
filled.
close my stop and target are. This is how fast the market's moving.
Stop filled.
I'm not chasing this because it's moving so fast it can turn on a dime. I might have lost money on that last one. I'm not sure. Better to lose a little than a lot. All right, you've seen the moves, you've seen the signals, you've seen most of my trades today. Really wasn't planning on making any video recording, but I just thought I'd turn the camera on for a few of them because it is really big moves, fast trades. I don't know how you'd like to see that. Here it is. My take profit and stop are set at 50 ticks. On the NQ, that's not that much, but you see how tight they are. I have to move them quickly, or I'll get stopped, or the target will get hit quickly. Yeah, well, let's wait for something else. About done for the day anyway. So look at the ultimate zone. Bounce off the ultimate zone here. We got some riding the ultimate zone right here until it came down and bounced off this ultimate zone, bounced off this, bounced off here, came up here, bounced off here, bounced back up to here. Now we're coming through, and then there's this one down here.
Order submitted.
The TradingView version, Ultimate AI Plus, does not have the ultimate zones.
Order filled.
I could not recreate them on that platform.
Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Darn it. Did you see me lose? I lost money on that trade. Getting back in, and it just tanked on me after I got in. So lost money on that trade right there. The first one was profitable, and then I got in again and lost money. There you go. Everybody who wanted to see me lose money, there you go. Okay, we do have an alert, but it's got to travel to get filled. Got ultimate zone. Maybe the next candle.
Order submitted.
It's pulling back, so if it comes back through, God, it didn't pick up my order.
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right. Building back up. See how the move went all the way up and came back very quickly. It's very quick moves today. Very wicky.
Order submitted.
And this wick was my loss.
Order filled.
I know you enjoy watching me lose trades, but I'm trying not to. So I need to build my account back up to where it was before I had that loss. I get a lot of requests to see how
Stop
I handle
filled.
loss. I battle back. All right, now I'm up to where I was before the loss, 80, almost 84, 90, something like that. Trying to take every signal in a row to show you how I handle every situation. Sometimes that's not possible. And I just had a really nice message come through in my Slack chat group. Thought I'd post it for you here now. I get multiple messages like this a day in our group. I get really nice thank you text messages all day long. There's so many that there's too much to put in the member comments on my website. That area is getting way too big. I stopped posting these everywhere, but I still enjoy getting them every day, so please keep sending them. Again, this is the Friday, November 21st, Friday before Black Friday. I will have a Black Friday sale, probably starting tomorrow. I don't know what the sale is going to be yet, but if you have a question, shoot me a text message. My number should be on here for texting. Website's right down here, probably somewhere, and in the description, there's other links to products and stuff. Website. Okay, we're coming up on another zone that was created probably, earlier today or yesterday. But I've had enough excitement for one day, so I'm going to call it quits. Hopefully, we see you for the Black Friday sale.